C-17 Globemaster aircraft carrying about 205 Indian nationals has taken off from Texas in the United States and is set to land in Amritsar, India on 5th of February. Now, in less than 2 weeks after taking office, Trump administration has started running special deportation flights, emptying illegal immigrants into countries they belong to. And this comes after Trump won a decisive victory in the recently concluded presidential elections, riding on the wave of anti-immigrant sentiment which has been rising in the US. Now, India happens to be on the list of countries from where illegal immigrants are entering the United States, apart from those going in from Latin America and the neighborhood. Now, Trump has stated on several occasions while campaigning that illegal immigrants from mental institutions and prisons were pouring into America under Biden administration. Meanwhile, Secretary of State Marco Rubio too flagged this issue with Indian External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar during his visit to Washington to attend President Trump's swearing-in. And later, in a press conference that followed the talks, Jaishankar stated that India will take its nationals if proved to be staying illegally.
At the same time, we are also very firmly opposed to illegal mobility and illegal migration, because you also know that when something illegal happens, many other illegal activities get joined onto it. And it's not, this is not desirable, it's certainly not reputationally good. We are with every country, and the US is no exception.
Now it looks like that Trump will stop at nothing when it comes to delivering on his election promise of cracking down on illegal immigration. Bureau Report, India Today Global.